Today, the emergency committee met and advised me that, in its view, the situation constitutes a public health emergency of international concern.
There you have it. It's another emergency, according to Tedros. Let's hear from him and stick around to hear what Donald Trump thinks of all this medical emergency. It's deja vu all over again.
I have accepted that advice. The detection and rapid spread of a new clade of Mpox in eastern DRC, its detection in neighboring countries that had not previously reported Mpox.
Why are we calling it Mpox? We know that M stands for monkey, right? Why are they changing the name?
And the potential for further spread within Africa and beyond is very worrying. In addition to other outbreaks of other clades of Mpox in other parts of Africa, it's clear that a coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives.
Right, we need a coordinated international response. I assume this means locking everyone down, doesn't it? But that's what we need in order to save lives. Well, that was Tedros. Let's hear what Sky News says. I never believe anything until I hear it on Sky News.
Breaking news, and it is about M-Pox, or what used to be known as monkeypox. The WHO is saying that it is a public health emergency of international concern. That's according to the WHO Director General, who's speaking at the moment. It had been declared a public health emergency in Africa, I think yesterday, and now the WHO is basically saying that it is a public health emergency of international concern. That's monkeypox, a highly infectious disease. It's a highly infectious disease.
And there you have it, a highly infectious disease. A quick Google can tell you how infectious it is, but I wouldn't believe Google. I never trust Google, so don't take their word for it. But anyway, let's get to the point. Let's get to the main event. The main man, Donald J. Trump, is now going to tell us what he thinks of all this.
The left-wing lunatics are trying very hard to bring back COVID lockdowns and mandates with all of their sudden fear-mongering about the new variants that are coming.
You idiot, Donald. It's not COVID. It's monkeypox this time. It's Mpox, sorry. This idiot clearly knows nothing about medicine or medical emergencies. He doesn't even know that it's a new disease and it's serious this time. Well, coming from a guy who thought that drinking bleach would be a good medical procedure, I'm not surprised.
I mean, gee whiz, you know what else is coming? An election. They want to restart the COVID hysteria so they can justify more lockdowns, more censorship, more illegal drop boxes, more mail-in ballots, and trillions of dollars in payoffs to their political allies heading into the 2024 election. Does that sound familiar? These are bad people. These are sick people we're dealing with. But to every COVID tyrant who wants to take away our freedom, hear these words: we will not comply. So don't even think about it. We will not shut down our schools. We will not accept your lockdowns. We will not abide by your mask mandates. And we will not tolerate your vaccine mandates. They rigged the 2020 election, and now they're trying to do the same thing all over again by rigging the most important election in the history of our country, the 2024 election, even if it means trying to bring back COVID. But they will fail because we will not let it happen. When I'm back in the White House, I will use every available authority to cut federal funding to any school, college, airline, or public transportation system that imposes a mask mandate or a vaccine mandate. Thank you very much.
Lots of important information there. Please subscribe for more chats like this.